Hi, my name is Kayla and I'm a speech language pathologist. I specialize in working with toddlers who are not yet talking. I've created this online program just for parents like you so that you can stop laying awake at night just tossing and turning with worry because your little one is not yet talking. Instead of worrying, you can start taking action with my course. It's about 3.5 hours broken up into very doable, fun to watch, I've heard. Lessons, 6 different lessons with printable PDFs so that you can print out and follow throughout the week with the activities that I'm going to teach you. You'll see me working with toddlers, working with parents and toddlers. You can see, wow, the parents doing it and I can do it too, because you really can do it too. And honestly, getting into speech therapy can be a really tough process. Those wait lists can be long. It can be far away from where you live and then really expensive. So in the meantime, start today with my online course so that you can start making progress while you're on that wait list. Because honestly, 1 hour a week of speech therapy is not enough. You, the parent, have to know what to do because you spend every day with that little one. And so you can and should know what to do. Guys, I've gotten fantastic feedback from parents all over the world saying that my course has helped their child. Their child is more social, is playing more appropriately, is understanding language, imitating and using new words. So I challenge you to take this online course, get going and get learning how to help your toddler today. Happy talking with your toddlers. Bye-bye.